Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Mayton. These are products that they have for different vehicles. I specifically got it for my Ioniq 5 and I've got a variety of different products here to review. So if you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel so we create more review videos. And also feel free to subscribe so you are alerted with new videos. I post on a bi-weekly basis, so you will see reviews bi-weekly from this channel. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and uncover this first. And as you can see right here, this is the cup holder area. There's some adhesive right here in the back. I'll take off the red tape and placing it. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so this is the before video or picture. And I just went ahead and cleaned it off with some alcohol, so there's no debris and this can stick to it quite well. Alright, so I went ahead and took off the red tapes, and I like how they've already pre-placed these tapes so I don't have to guess and figure out what goes where. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this right on there. So there it is, it's placed on there. If you do press on certain areas, there's a little bit of a feeling of a gap or whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit and cure. But as you can see, it looks really nice, really professional. This makes things just a lot better in the vehicle. So let's go ahead and see the next ones. All right, so the next one here is the door handle cover right here. These do get placed right there. And again, you want to check your color of your interior. These are a vanilla color, like the door panel and also the seating and whatnot. So in my opinion, it really does match with the interior, making it much more classy. So let's go ahead and install that. And as you can see there, it is right flush with the door. Really nice. This makes it look, this gives it this little pizzazz when that's on there. So overall very nice. You can see right here. So there we go, it's installed right now. The only thing is there's a gap, and the adhesive, this doesn't touch unfortunately and stick to it, and that might be due to the colder weather, but unfortunately that's with all the sides. So we're gonna have to see how it works out over time, but right now is this not sticking to it and there's a gap. So we'll see with the other items. Okay, next are these air vents, and again there's some adhesives here, and this is where you place them. All right, so I took off the red adhesive on the back end, and I'm very happy that they placed it because this is very tight and pretty tough actually. So let's go ahead and place this on there. All right, so we went ahead and implemented it. Now the key to this is you're gonna have to open up this rubber gap right here and just slide it in and then let the rubber go right beside it or right above it so you can keep it in place. If you don't do that, it's just not going to look well, and it's going to kind of basically falter and kind of come out. The adhesive is not going to let it sit there. So everybody, that's the whole review of it. Press the like button, subscribe for more videos with the notification bell. I am posting every week. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you have purchased this or another type of item. Happy to review it here on the channel, and let me know your thoughts. And as always, I will leave a link down below of the product if you'd like to purchase this. Thanks, and talk to you guys soon.